So ayan guys, nakaabot tayo sa last quarter ng Barakbak and Zapat. The score is 61-43 in favor po iti Barakbak. Ayan, 61-43 Barakbak. Last quarter na po. Ito lang pinaabutan tayo again. Shout out. Ayan. Yes, another good points. It is Zapat. 61-45 Barakbak. Yes, another good points. It is Barakbak. 63-45 Barakbak. 7 minutes left sa ating last quarter. Ayan, abangan po ang DLY versus Tepeng. Urayan na kita isend yung star di jay laman ki DLY and Tepeng. 6 minutes and 50 seconds sa ating last quarter. 63-45 in favor of Barakbak. Good. Another 1 point. Iti Barakbak. 45-64 in favor of Barakbak. 3 points, no good. Ayan ako ng Barakbak. Foul. Five minutes and 48 sa ating last quarter. Ayan, 45-64 Barakbak. Another 2 points, Barakbak. 45-66 Barakbak. Still another 2 points, Barakbak. 5 minutes and 25 sa ating last quarter. No good. Yun, another 2 points left is Zapat. 47-68 Barakbak. Yes, basket and a foul. 47-70 in favor of Barakbak. 4 minutes and 55 sa ating last quarter. Yan. So marunong maglalaban is basketball latta. Basketball. So marunong maglalaban. Oh, still ball. Barakbak ngayon by number 21 to Villegas. Yes, another 2 points. City Barakbak. Three points, so good. Last 4 minutes sa ating last quarter. 72-47, Barakbak.
Sumunod kayo ako na nakapag. Ano mga gusto kayo? Next game. 10 wins, third away. Versus Alexander Delway.
Yes. Kailangan ko plus quarter. Kailangan plus quarter. Yes, another 2 points. Barakbak, 47-77. 30 tibaot. Yes, another 2 points. It is Zakat. 77-50. In favor po, it is Barakbak. Gusto pa dyan point 05. Nabutang
0.05.
ay ako. Piliga lakad ni Manggo doon. Naabutan mo na swerte. Yes, 3 points by number 23. Barakbak. One minute and 50 seconds left sa ating last quarter. 82-50 in favor of Barakbak. Another 1 point by number 1. 83-50. Barakbak.
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Shout out.
Accept. Follow, yes. Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute left.
Makukunin mo sa mga Mr. Super Mara. And Miss Super Mara.
Yay! Kinawit man.
So far, number 7. Last 1 minute, number 7. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds.
Napan. 3 points.
Last 10.
Wala, di na pala issue eh. Sumarot sa barakbak. Ayan, congratulations barakbak. 53-87. 53-87 barakbak. Ayan, see you sa ating next live. DLY versus Tepeng.